Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of this windshield washer fluid pump. Yeah, all cars have it, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I would love to do a video by how to install it on my car, but I don't think that I'm gonna have any time to do it due to Monday. I gotta take the vehicle to, I don't even want to mess with nothing, but Monday I gotta drop it into the body shop to get it fixed. Oh yeah, for the people who don't know, if you're new to the channel, yeah, I had got into an accident and I gotta take it to the body shop. But here we go. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me pop this open right now. As you can see, have some label, whatever. Even today they had a hard time finding it. I went to the post office and it's very small. I went to the post office and the pickup area, get down a little bit, the pickup area, they had a hard time finding it. And you know why? The PO box number they put right here is incorrect, which is right here. I don't know why they write it right there, but on the label have the correct one. Say it said 5, somebody put 5241, and the PO box number is 94. I mean 94. They put 9441, and the PO box number is 9421. So they made a mistake. So they had a hard time finding it today. I was like waiting. I was like, yo, what's going on? It's there. Look how small it is, guys. Look how small it is. So this is the windshield washer fluid pump. without this guys, without this little thing right here, yes, you got to put it in a connector and put the hoses, connect the hoses, and when you hit your washer fluid, your signal to make that thing come up. See how mine's coming up? Mine's basically works when it wants to. I guess my car know that I'm gonna put it on a video, so it end up working. But earlier when I was doing it, it was not working at all. So, but I know it's going bad, so I'm gonna change it. But I'm not gonna change it right. I'm gonna change it maybe after when I got to get the car back and everything. But I ordered one. It was how much it was? I think it was like about $8. I got it off of eBay. I think it was like $8. If I had looked up, I think it was Advance was like $20 something. I think it was cheaper on AutoZone, or they didn't have it. I can't remember. But as I said, guys, I go on eBay. If it's gonna get the job done, I'm not gonna spend no bunch of money to get something simple, you know. So I went on eBay. I got it for like $8, around that price range, and I am going to install it when I get the car back. But this is how the windshield washer pump looks like. So every time when you guys scooting up thing coming up, this is what is doing it. This your indicator right here send the signal. Once you send the signal, since it's connected, this process the power to send. Man, technology, man, you gotta love it. Yeah, as I was saying, the thing got cut off. But yeah, this is what send the fluid to squirt the water. If you got water in your reservoir tank, or have washer fluid in that reservoir tank, this is what get the jobs done. Once you pull your thing, the windshield wiper fluid, this send the signal and it pump the water from the reservoir. I need to put a picture somewhere to show you guys how the reservoir look like. Most likely when you pop your hood, it's going to be on your left hand side, and it said washer fluid, that white tank, empty tank, or maybe have something blue in there, because they got different type of washer fluid. They got a blue one, they got green, but it's a clear tank. It's like a white tank you're going to see, and on the top have like a blue cap. They have a picture of your windshield You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Y'all should know. But yeah, without this, and you try to send the signal to let the water come up or the washer fluid come up, and say that you have fluid in there or water in there and nothing coming up, most likely this is the culprit. This is the washer pump that need to be replaced. It's an easy fix. It's cheap. I got mine off eBay. I don't got no time to be spending no extra money or more money than what I think that it should cost. There's no way this little thing right here should cost like 20 something bucks. That's foolishness. No. So I purchased mine from eBay, like $8. It's cheap. I wait on it. I got it. I'm happy. I will be installing it maybe after, when I get my car back from the body shop. I'm not gonna try to mess with my car right now until they fix that damage and I get my car back. Then I'll work on it. And I'll also have to get another. I know you guys tired of me. I'm gonna have to get another. It's so sad. Get another tire pressure monitor sensor, because the ones that I have, they're all in the storage. The last one that I changed was the one in the back. The back tire. I know you guys remember that video. It sucks. So I'm not worrying about that, and I have to get a scan tool to clear that code and reset the airbag light so that could come off. But other than that, car runs, it's smooth. Same old, you know, just the damage that's in the front that make my car look ugly. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Jesus Christ is Lord. God bless. Have a awesome weekend until I upload another video. For real. Peace. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you all for coming through. Thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate it, and that's why I keep on doing the same thing to y'all, because without y'all, man, this YouTube thing wouldn't be possible. For real. Peace out. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. And I'm out.